Nakajua kale ka feeling kakujibiwa maombi. Naona raha hivi unaijua ile kelele ya shangwe kijibiwa. Imagine vile umesota lafu Mungu anatokea. I can't believe you have done it again. I've come to testify, Lord, you've done it again. I give you praise, Lord, you've done it again. Hey, again and again and again, you've done it again. Kujeni